Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making vegan chocolate peanut butter ice cream bars. These homemade ice cream bars only have 7 ingredients. They're vegan, they're gluten-free, and they use maple syrup in place of sugar. This is a summer treat that you'll want to eat every single day. Let me show you guys how to make them. These vegan chocolate peanut butter ice cream bars could not be easier. So we're going to need a blender, and these vegan chocolate peanut butter ice cream bars only have 4 ingredients that are going into the filling. So first we have 2 cups of coconut cream. And next we have 1 cup of peanut butter. Make sure you guys are using a creamy peanut butter for this. Then we have our 2 large bananas. And then last we have our maple syrup or sweetener. And now we're just going to blend this on high until it's nice and smooth. Once the filling mixture is blended completely and it's smooth, then it's time to grab your popsicle molds. So now all we need to do is fill up our popsicle molds with the peanut butter ice cream mixture. Now all you need to do is put the top on these popsicle molds, and then we're just going to put the popsicle sticks in, and they're going to be ready to freeze. Now it's time to freeze these vegan peanut butter ice cream bars overnight. So once your ice cream bars are ready to coat in chocolate, then we're going to mix up our magic shell coating. So I have 226 grams of mini dark chocolate chips, and if you guys want to use a dark chocolate bar and chop that up into small pieces, you can do that as well. And then we have 57 grams of coconut oil, and we're just going to add this into the bowl with the chocolate. And now I just love using the mini chocolate chips for this because it makes it so easy to melt and you don't have to chop any chocolate. Because we're going to melt this now in the microwave doing 30-second intervals, and you want to stir between each one. You just want to melt until the chocolate and the coconut oil are completely melted. So while your chocolate is melting, go ahead and line a half sheet pan with parchment paper. This is going to make sure that the ice cream bars don't stick to the baking sheet, so you definitely want to use parchment paper. Make sure to stir the chocolate and coconut oil between each 30-second interval. This is going to prevent the chocolate from burning. So once our chocolate and coconut oil is completely melted together, then our magic shell coating is ready. Then go ahead and grab your ice cream bars from the freezer. It's almost time to remove them from the molds. And if you guys want to add a little bit of chopped peanuts on top of these chocolate peanut butter ice cream bars, this part is totally optional, but go ahead and grab your peanuts now because we want to have them ready so that when the chocolate is hardening, you can put those peanuts right on top. So I have my chopped, roasted, and salted peanuts for the topping. Now it's time to remove the ice cream bars from the molds. And if you guys are using a silicone mold, it's so easy to remove the ice cream bars. As I say that, it's super easy, yeah. Now we're just gonna dip these peanut butter ice cream bars in our magic shell coating. And you guys can fully dip them, you can half dip them, however you wanna do it is totally fine. And then you wanna place them on your parchment paper lined baking sheet. And I like to keep this spatula in the bowl with the magic shell because if you need to drizzle some of it onto the bars, it really helps. Okay, the trick to the silicone ice cream molds is you want to push up from the bottom, and then the ice cream bar is going to release super easily. Yep. So once all the ice cream bars are coated in the magic shell, you're gonna have a little bit left over, and you guys can just do a little drizzle on top if you want, and that's when we're gonna add our crushed peanuts if you guys wanna do that because they'll stick to this new magic shell that we're adding on. And now these vegan chocolate peanut butter ice cream bars are ready to enjoy. These vegan ice cream bars are healthy-ish and they're an indulgent treat that you can feel good about enjoying anytime you want one. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.